Researchers at the University of California are exploring a new approach to building muscle mass that involves stimulating the immune system rather than traditional methods like increasing amino acid intake or improving training regimens. This innovative research focuses on the role of macrophages, simple immune cells found in blood and tissues, in promoting muscle growth. Scientists discovered in 2007 that macrophages can stimulate muscle cell growth when muscles undergo heavy exertion. The study involved mice whose hind legs were immobilized for 10 days, resulting in significant muscle loss. When the mice were allowed to use their legs again, researchers observed muscle regrowth and an influx of macrophages in the leg muscles. To further investigate this process, the scientists divided the mice into two groups. One group received a treatment that deactivated most macrophages, while the other group served as a control. The results were striking. The control group showed increased macrophage accumulation in the muscles, decreased muscle fiber damage, and growth of new muscle cells. In contrast, the group with deactivated macrophages experienced increased muscle fiber damage and no significant muscle growth. These findings suggest that macrophages play a crucial role in muscle repair and growth. This research opens up new possibilities for enhancing muscle growth and recovery. Interestingly, some natural substances, like extracts from the Echinacea purpurea plant and cat's claw, are known to activate the immune system. This raises the question of whether these herbs could potentially be used to promote muscle growth by stimulating macrophage activity. While more research is needed to fully understand the relationship between immune system activation and muscle growth, this study provides valuable insights into the body's muscle-building processes. It highlights the complex interplay between the immune system and muscle tissue, offering potential new avenues for developing strategies to enhance muscle growth and recovery in various situations, including athletic training and recovery from injury or illness.